When working in the cloud, security is the top priority. AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM, is a tool that helps you manage who has access to your AWS resources and what they can do with them. IAM is like a gatekeeper for your AWS environment. It ensures that the right people have the right permissions to access your resources. This control is essential to keeping your data secure and protected. Let's break down the key components of IAM. First, we have users, which are individual accounts created for people who need access to AWS. Next are groups, which let you organize users and assign permissions to many users at once. Then, there are roles, which provide temporary access to AWS resources, perfect for applications or services that need permissions but aren't tied to a specific user. Finally, there are policies, which define permissions in detail, outlining what actions are allowed or denied on specific resources. You can organize users into groups based on their job roles, like developers, administrators, or support teams. Each group can have specific permissions applied, making it easy to manage access at scale. Roles are ideal when you need to grant temporary access to AWS resources. For example, if an application needs to interact with a database, you can assign a role that allows it to perform specific actions without giving full access. IAM. Policies are the rules that control what actions a user or role can perform on AWS resources. Each policy contains statements that specify permissions, written in JSON format. This precise control lets you decide who can do what, ensuring that your AWS environment remains secure. To keep your AWS account secure, always follow IAM best practices. This includes using the principle of least privilege, granting only the permissions necessary to complete a task. Also enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. AWS IAM is your key to managing secure access to your AWS environment. By understanding and implementing these components, users, groups, roles, and policies, you can ensure your resources are safe and properly controlled. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.